Hello everyone. So let's start our 7th chapter, which is Fourier Series. The basic prerequisites for this chapter, the basic formula you need to learn before learning this chapter is this formula, that is integration of uv dx, which is equals to u integration v dx minus u of dash integration v dx, and then so on. Here, the both of the functions will be given to you. U is one of the function and V is one of the function. U as it is, and the integration of V. Suppose you have been given U as x and V as cos x. So U as it is, and integration of V, that is cos, so integration of cos x is sin x, as you all know. So this is x and this is sin x. Then minus derivative of u dash x is 1. Integration derivative of x, that is 1. Integration of sin x, that is cos x. Sin x, that is minus cos x. Am I right? Yes. So as you go on, you have to stop your derivative until the derivative of u becomes 0. But in which formula you have to take them? Let me tell you. The basic rule you have to apply is Liet. So apply this as it is. Liet, it means L for log, I for inverse trigonometry, A for algebraic, T for trigonometric, and E for exponential. So hope you all know how we have to deal with Fourier series. Let's take one example so you get a big idea of it. Integration of x cos x dx. So let's first find out which is u and which is v. So as you can see from here, u we will choose from Liet. So x and cos x. So choose it from algebraic. U is x and v is cos x. So x is algebraic, right? And cos x is trigonometric. So in the series, first is algebraic A. So in Liet, first is A, so we have to choose algebraic, that is x. So here x is our u and cos x is our v. So let's solve the question, which is u. I will first write the equation, u integration v dx minus u dash integration v dx plus u double dash integration v dx and so on. If it needs, then you can take the fourth derivative also. So here our u is x, so I will put it here. V is cos x, so cos x dx minus the derivative of x. So derivative of x is, as we all know, it is 1. Then integration of cos x, that is sin x. So I will put the values as it is. So V is cos x dx plus, now the derivative of 1 is 0, as you all know. So from here our series ends. So no need to go on further. So we will solve this x and integration of cos x, that is sin x, minus, here it is 1, and integration of cos x is sin x, and then integration of sin x, which is minus cos x, and plus c as we have applied the integration. So our final answer is x sin x minus minus plus, so plus cos x plus c. This is our final answer. And let us take our new example. Here, choose it from it, which is u and which is v. S from Lie8, as I told you, Lie8. So, as you all know, e power 2x is exponential function, and x square is algebraic function. So, which is first? Algebraic is first, and exponential is last. So, we will take it as it is. So, here our exponential function is v and x square is u. So u integration v dx minus u dash integration v dx plus u double dash integration v dx, and so on. So I will put the values. U is x square, integration v is e power 2x dx minus u dash means double derivative of x square, that is 2x, x square derivative 2x, then integration, what is our v? It is e power 2x dx plus double derivative of 2x, that is 2, double derivative of x square is 2. So I will put it here, and triple integration of e power 2x dx. Now for 2, the derivative of 2, it's 0. So here our series ends. We will proceed further. X square, as it is, integration of e power 2x is e power 2x upon 2 minus 2x as it is, then integration of e power 2x and double integration of e power 2x, that is e power 2x upon 2 into 2. Here we have already got the integration of e power 2x by 2. So double integration is e power 2x by 4 plus 2 into triple integration of e power 2x, that is e power 2x upon 2 into 2 into 2. So let's come to our final answer. X square e power 2x by 2 minus 2x e power 2x by 4 plus 2 e power 2x, 2 to the 4 to the 8. So you can cut it out here as per your choice, and it's 4. X square e power 2x by 2 minus x e power 2x by 2 plus e power 2x by 4 plus c, and this is our final answer. Now I will give you some basic formulas you need to remember to score good marks. The basic formulas are: first, that is cos n pi cos minus n pi, which is equals to minus 1 power n. So here if you will put n equals to 1, then it will be cos pi equals to cos minus pi equals to minus 1 and 1. So, and if you put n equals to 2, then cos 2 pi equals to cos minus of 2 pi, then it will be equal to 1. So as you can see from here, if you apply for odd function, then it's equals to minus 1. But if you apply for even, so if n is odd, then you will get minus 1 as the answer. And if n is even, then you will get 1 as our answer. Same will be applied for sine. The sine is sine n pi equals to sine minus n pi equals to 0. So no matter what you will apply for n, whether it's n equal to 1, sine pi equals to sine pi, sine minus pi. So it's equals to 0. As we all know, sine pi is 0. Sine is an odd function. Okay. So sine, if you take n equals to 0, so sine 0, which is also equals to 0. Now I will let you know about the third equation, that is cos n plus or minus 1 pi equals to minus 1 raised to n. You need to remember this equation, and further sine n plus or minus 1 pi equals to 0. Now I will teach you one basic funda, what is odd function and what is even function. Even function and odd function. So even function, if the given function, which is f of x, equals to f of minus x, then we can say that the given function is a even function. So let's take an example for it. For example, f of x equals to x square. So f of minus x, if we will take, so what it will be? Minus x and whole square. So ultimately it will be x square only. So here we get f of x equals to f of minus x. So we can say that this was the even function itself. Same goes for odd function. Same goes for odd function, that is if the given function f of x equals to minus of f of x, then we can say that it is an odd function. For example, f of x equals to sin x. Then f of so f of minus x, which is equals to minus of sin x. Here it will be f of minus x. So if the function is f of minus x equals to minus of f of x, then we can say that the given function is odd function. Here you can see that f of minus x, which is minus of sin x, is equals to minus of f of x. Minus sin x equals to minus into sin x. Hence, we can say that it is an odd function. Okay. अगर आपको यहाँ पे ना पता चला हो तो let me tell you once more. F of x equals to sin x and f of minus x equals to sin of minus x, and as we all know, sin of minus x is minus sin x only. So here it comes from this. Our next topic is, if you multiply even function with even function, then it will be even function only. For example, cos x, which is an even function, you multiply with x square, then the resultant function will be even function only. That is cos square, cos x square. Then if you multiply odd into odd, then it will also be even function only. For example, you multiply sin x into x cube, then the resultant function will be even function only. But if you multiply odd into an even, जैसे कि आप सब लोग जानते हो कि -1 into -1, that is an even, that is 1. 1 into 1, that is 1 only. So even and even. But if you multiply odd into even, then it will result into an odd function. That is -1 into 1, which is -1, that is odd. So you can remember it from it. So minus sin x, that is odd, and x square, that is even. So our resultant will be odd. The last, even into odd, that is odd function only, as you can realize from the third equation. Some of the formulas which you need to remember apart from this. So if you will be given the function like this from limit -a to a and f of x dx, then it will be equals to, the direct answer will be 0 if the function given is f of x is odd function, as I told you, which is odd function and which is even function. And it will be equals to 2 into integration 0 to a f of x dx if the function given is even function. So you can directly get the answer. For example, let me take an example for you. For example, if we have been given -2 to 2 x cube dx. As you all know, x cube is an odd function, right? So we have directly got the answer, that is 0. You don't need to calculate it further. Now, the second is -2 to 2 x square dx. As you all know, this is an even function. So, directly take is 0 to 2 and integrate it further. Okay? You can take it as a x cube by 3 and 0 to 2 and apply the limits and you will get the final answer. And the remaining formulas are, which is very important for you and will be more important in your max 2 also. So learn it properly, which is integration of e power ax sin bx equals to integrate e power ax upon a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. Here we didn't wrote the dx as we all know already. And the second is integration of e power ax cos bx dx equals to e power ax upon a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c. Remember it and solve the questions at your home. Try it. We will in the next session we will do the sums. This video was for the basic formulas only. Learn it properly. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.